The day I happy well. Na that day, November 10, 2014, 3 years ago. The day where Wazobia TV don't show for on top television across Nigeria. E be say like I don't born pikin again. After years of planning and preparation, finally, we dey see our hard work on television. The waka of Wazobia TV na very kajad one o. E no be small thing at all. E no go get any journey where person go begin for this life, wey no go get different corners. In other words, the journey no go be straight. But the important thing is to keep the goal wey we wan reach for inside our mind. Everyone wey dey out there, a very big thank you for watching us. Please tell your family, tell your mama, tell your papa, tell your pikin, tell your friends, even your enemy self, watch Wazobia TV. Wazobia for life.